Leave the bustling city life behind and dive into the best country living possible in this well-kept home with beautiful mountain views and soothing sounds of nature. You get a peaceful, private setting, yet you're less than 15 minutes to grocery stores, restaurants, schools, and the interstate. A charming covered front porch welcomes you into this fabulous open floor plan drenched with natural light. Enjoy a huge family room with a wall of built-ins and a darling window seat. Enjoy a massive kitchen with abundant cabinetry, oversized pantry, double island with cooktop, and breakfast bar. A large dining area steps down to the great room with cozy fireplace. The large master includes a walk-in closet and private ensuite with his and her sinks and garden tub. There are 2 additional bedrooms and 2 more full baths. One of them is a Jack and Jill bath between bedrooms 2 and 3. There's a large bonus room with so many possibilities. There is great outdoor living space and so much more. Hurry, this home won't last long.